Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to change YouTube channel name from mobile. Before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more amazing content. Now let's get this video started. Open your YouTube from your mobile. Then tap on your profile on the bottom right corner. Now here you have to click on your profile name or the channel name, which is right here. Now over here you have to click on this pencil button in front of your manage videos. Now in the name section, tap on this pencil section again, pencil button again, and from here you have to change your name, and now you have to enter your correct channel name. After you have written the channel name, click on save, and as you can see my channel name has been changed. If you want to change the handle also, you can also click on this pencil button over here. So here I have selected this suggested handle, then you have to click on save, and now my channel name as well as the handle has now been changed. I will show you how it looks, and if I just refresh it, now as you can see the channel name has been changed, and this is how you change your YouTube channel name in mobile. I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe our channel.